Hello, Bongo. What is going on? Let's just fire in. Good afternoon. Son's asleep, so we'll be a little bit quiet today. But we're moving away from doing stuff with the DLL, which is amazing, which means we're going to go back to doing the interactive overlay that we've been working on. So we should be live on Twitch and YouTube today, as I've been doing this series on YouTube. For everybody that's been wanting to just watch the VODs afterwards, what we're working on, how we're building this overlay from scratch, and everything like that. So we're going to be continuing with that. I know we've got ad break running right now, but YOLO, because usually not too many people are in straight away. Yeah, as Bongo's just said, we kind of found a house that we like. So things might be happening a little bit more quicker than I thought. So just watch this space. So I'm going to be doing as much content as possible because I need to fund the house move. So if you guys have got questions, stuff like that, please ask. And I'm going to be doing a lot of streams, a lot of videos. I'm recording another video for OBSBot at the moment that's in production. Really cool video. It's about Stream Deck and OBSBot. It's pretty nice. But that's going to be coming very soon. Should be next week, I believe it drops, which is going to be nice. Bongo sent me £1. That's right. It did contribute, which was good. Hey Silver, what's going on? Look at you all with your little "did I break day?" I was 100% in bed when that Shibuya was happening. So YOLO. But I'm not one for emoting anyway, so I'm not an emoter, really. I'm not a chatter, am I? With friends and family on PayPal. Yep. So right now, I'm just saving as much money as possible to move and everything like that, because obviously moving is going to be an effort. Hey Wazzy, how you doing? Hope you're doing good today. Like I say, we're going to be moving back away from the DLL because I need Silverlink and Waldo to test the work that I've done at the moment, because I don't want to do any more work on it. Otherwise, it's going to be like, Andy, you've changed far too much. Everything's broken. So they're going to test it, make sure it's all Gucci. And then I want to just do some last bits and bobs for it. And then, yeah, should be good. I got the whole set. Aren't you just cool, man? You're so cool. We'll test later. No worries, Silver. You got a question, Mozzie? What's your question, darling? Feel free. First time chatter. In the old SB, it was easy. Where I find it now? First time chatter, it's even easier now in the new SB. So when you're on the actions window, just like so, anywhere on any action, you've got the trigger window. You just right click, go down to Twitch, go down to chat, and you'll have, no, I'm lying to you again. Why am I looking through OBS as well? It's on channel. Channel? Chat, where is it? General, there we go. I feel like it should be under chat, but yeah. But there you go. How are you doing, Marcus? Waldo, how are you doing? Don't forget to test the thing out if you would today, Waldo. It should only take about not even 5 minutes of your time, to be fair. To just install it blindly, just bosh, go for it. Shouldn't take long at all. And then feedback anything at all. Anything, any hiccups, any error messages you get, just because then I know the error messages work properly and stuff like that. So just feed it back. And then I can move on to getting the final bit sorted, which is just adding a little bit of login to the centralized trigger system thing. And then, yeah. Because the Walk on Sound said you have to use first words. I couldn't find it. Yeah, well, it's there. So it's Twitch. In the triggers menu, go to Twitch, go to general, and then first words. So after all, the back end will be done. Pretty much. I mean, to be fair, it's going to be an ever-expanding thing. That's the beauty of it. Waldo's just finished doing the updater. So now you can. He's basically made a little application. I'll show it off now for you. That we're going to bundle into every product going forward. Which will be, in fact, no, it'll be in my thing already, wouldn't it? I'll go in this one. In fact, no, I'm not going to be able to really show it off because StreamUp's currently running, but you'll get the gist of it. So we've got this little thing that'll update the library for you when there's a new update, and also our update checker will check if the library needs an update as well. So it'll tell you to update. But when you open this, it'll open this tiny little menu, and it'll say what version you're currently on, and yeah. So you'll be able to see it, which is cool, and keep it up to date. So if I ever add any new products, or I need to do a bug fix or something like that, you can just update here. Really, really nice. I'm really proud of what we're all doing at the minute. It's really good. At least when your back end is done, and start talking about you know what. I know, right? I know. I've got a lot on my plate at the moment though, TD. You got to remember, like trying to move house and stuff like that. So, but then again, it's like the stuff we talked about could help increase revenue for me as well as you. So, I don't know. We'll cross the bridge. We'll cross the bridge when we found it. So I added the last thing that I did, which I was finishing yesterday, was the font checker. So now when you're installing a product, it will check if you've got the correct fonts installed. So I won't get any more of this size doesn't look right. It'll be fine because it'll tell you that you've got the wrong font. Boom. And when the new version of the DLL is available and the product installer is installed in SB, you'll get a message as well. And it'll open the tool. Oh, God. Waldo, will you be my tool, please? Stop giving us serious answers when I'm teasing you. It's ruining the banter. I'm a serious guy. June. What's June? June? What? What's June? What's June, bro? You want me to do you in June? Right, let's open the other OBS, shall we? Hey, Bowser, what's going on? Waldo will be your tool. Waldo's already my tool. Thank you for downloading. I can't wait to get these out. 1-2 for Red Bull. Oh, was it? No, I didn't watch the F1. I really don't have time at the minute to watch TV and stuff. I don't get a minute with the amount of work that I'm doing. It's horrific. It really is. Still need to feed this back to Exceldro. So I'm glad it wasn't just me that's having this issue. Just need to find out what specifically it is and then work from there. Right, so let's open up StreamerBot and see where we got to. So to catch everyone up, if you're interested in what we have been doing and you want to see how I've been making like an interactive stream and everything like that, then all the VODs have been saved. You just need to look for the ones that are like Ask Me Anything with the building an interactive overlay type thing. And you'll be able to see all the different ones that we've done. Right, I don't need that. Probably need these two up, so I'll just go and drag these over here, just for when we're doing testing later on. I might just need to see what's going on. So to recap of where we're at the moment, this is a brand new, fresh install of StreamerBot, and I should say was, because it's not now, is it? And this was a fresh OBS, which all we've done in OBS is add a couple of different camera options, as you can see, like this, and a couple of different ways of displaying the multicams. So each one of these will be a different camera input, and I've done different kind of angles, should we call it, something like that, and that's about as far as we got. Inside of OBS, we've not done anything overly crazy, apart from building... we're doing the alerts, aren't we? Oh my god, yes. So we've not done anything overly crazy at the minute, but we've done some behind-the-scenes stuff inside of StreamerBot. So inside of StreamerBot, we've done... I've started making myself a little settings menu, I believe. which is nice, just so I can quickly change settings on the fly without having to change globals and stuff, which is it's pretty nice. The startup commands, this just sets up all the scenes and the scene list, because what I currently have is a automatic scene switcher. So I'm going to turn this on, and you'll see that every X amount of seconds, I can't remember what it is, it will change scene automatically. So if I trigger this myself, it'll change scene, which is awesome. I hate our OBS plugin, got to update some plugins now. Serves you right. Nice ass, thanks babes. And as these are all updating, hey Clue, morning. If you go check your channel points on Twitch, you should see you'll get the options to change different cameras, depending on how many cameras are on screen at that time. So now you should see 5 different cameras. No, 1 camera, sorry. It just moves the one into the center on this one. So it dynamically changes depending on what's on screen. So now there'll be 2 cameras that you can control and change the camera. Really nice. Really, it's quite simple, really. But this is as far as we've got at the moment. This is some gamerific. I'm putting words in. Gamerific gaming. You love to see it. Hey Doomsday, how you doing? So, like I say, all this is automated. This is so hands-off. So, the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to be doing a music stream, and I'm probably going to do some more music streams as time goes on as well. And I want to be quite hands-off, but give you guys things to interact with whilst I'm playing. So I wanted to set up camera angles, which we've done, and I can easily add new camera style scenes. Love this transition. Love this one. Looks great. Why do people not update their stuff they made in SB? It's irritating. Are you calling me out? Are you calling me out, Wazzy? I love those 2 transitions. Really, really nice. And then we started building an alert system for doing all the different alerts. So if I trigger an alert, check this out. Are my alerts on, actually? This is a great question. Oh, I hate multi. It's not annoying at all, is it? Why is this deciding not to work? What I am going to do is disconnect this from YouTube, because I'm sick of it spamming my log file. Right, what is going on here? I'm trying to remember where we got to. There's nothing in the queue or anything like that, so what are you doing? Let's just check this. Camera total. Main camera queue should be good. The DSK's not on. Hey Alex, how you doing? Right, there's something weird going on. Don't tell me I didn't save it. That should add it to a queue. Oh. Of course, I've updated the DLL. Of course it's not going to work. 27. I've forgotten what I send through now. Product info. Oh, mother trucker. Right, I'm going to have to make some adjustments, because we've updated the whole DLL, haven't we? So it's a completely different system now. Hold you personally responsible for me spending considerable too much on absurd amounts of webcams in the future. I am sorry. I love you, though. Doing good? Yeah, I'm great, thanks, Alex. I saw that you downloaded our plugin store and left a dono, so thank you so much. Sweet, appreciate it. Update as well, everyone. We're on 43 Twitch Plus points this month, which is insane. So if you guys want to help me get over to the 100 by the end of the month, this is the final month that I need to do, and then I get extra 10% split with Twitch for another year. So if you want to help support, then T1 is a 1 point, T2 is 2 points, T3 is 6 points, but it can't be gifted or prime. So yeah, just letting you know. I'm still a little bit drunk from last night. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm really dry. Maybe I'm going into hangover territory now. Have you shared your crash logs, Alex? Because that's the best way to find why it's crashing. If you got the logs, it'll tell you what plugin it is and stuff like that. Right, I'm going to have to just pull up the DLL. I know I said we weren't going to be talking about DLL, but I have made so many changes to it that I can't remember what I need to do to get it to work. In fact, I can probably code it quicker in here by going to these files up here. So the trigger, we'll check this one out. Trigger brah. Right, there's another file that's open. But where? This is not cool. It's there. Right. This. What are you wanting? You're wanting the dictionary for product settings. Right, we'll just send product info and product settings. But we need to go make these somewhere. This is orcs. So crash folders is empty. Log folder, first time I looked, it said there were chat bubbles having an error, but I deleted them and still crashing. Does it come up with the red X error message thing? Because you can just copy it straight to clipboard then. I'm not sure how I want to deal with this. Right. Well, either way, we're going to need to load product info. So I'm going to stick this. In fact, what I'll do is... when it crashes, do you not get any error or anything like that? Redeem not working. It is, but it's not for this version of OBS. It's not for my stream. It's for this. Which I'm obviously looking at this code. I need this camera total. And that's the only thing that I really need from here, isn't it? So I'm going to steal this camera total var by doing this. And I'm also going to get all of this. I'm going to stick this up here. Right, that's cool. Product info should be here. That's fine. Required fonts things there. That's fine. Just stops responding. I have to eventually force quit it. What's the last line in your log file? In just your normal log file? Because you'll be able to see what the last thing it does before it like crashes. We'll put music stream. Sub-0. It's fine. Library version, yeah, that's fine. The scene name. This is good practice for me, actually. So let me just get this scene name for, we'll say solo camera one, that'll be alright. Scene name there, and the source to check will be just camera one out. we'll say version 1, that's fine. And this will be in here. So most people wouldn't have to deal with this. This is just the way that I'm wanting to run my stuff. It won't be start commands. Have I got a settings thing? Did I not build the settings thing? Oh, music stream settings. You absolute idiot. Why am I such an idiot? Music stream settings. Oh god, here we go. But you're rocking for the stone. Yo, thank you for the follow, Half Dork. How'd you find us today? Put your rocking for the stone. Sorry, I'm just reading your error now, Waldo. Just taking a look. Oh, oh shit. I wasn't meant to send it with that change, Waldo, because that's the change that I'm having to deal with now. Oh, that's annoying because I'm issuing that fix at the moment. It's new error. In the last load, who's the Pokemon browser source? Is it? Oh wait, that's not the only one. Multiple browser sources failed. Oh god, that's not good. What version of OBS are you running as well? So yeah, Waldo, that's my fault. That's annoying. That's really annoying that that's happened. Right, I'm gonna sit down. Screw it. I'm raging that I've accidentally done that. Really raging that I've accidentally saved the bit that I'm working on and not finished. Maybe we should just take a look at that before I start smashing this up. Either way, I need to do this bit. Alright, that's it. That should be fine now. So I'm going to copy that into StreamerBot. Just in. Oh, in fact, no. I'm forgetting the. Oh, mother. What bit are you working on today? I'm trying to do the music stream stuff, but I've just found errors, which is not good. But it's fine. I can easily fix this stuff. But I've done multiple reinstalls so far. I've been working on second instance of something not. Yeah, maybe you need to look through your stuff that's dying. Nice weather with sun, and what do we do? Sit inside. Tell me about it. Right, I'm going to close this down and take just a little gander at the DLL. Just because of the breaking changes that I decided to add into it. It's basically this thing. Because I've added another thing, because it takes in the product settings as well now. Shit. Where did I get with fixing this? And the reason why it takes in the product settings is I actually don't know. Why did I want it to take the product settings? Because that's... Shit. Now you're still allowed to break changes. Once released, not anymore. Oh yeah, absolutely. It's just because of the... Obviously, I know that it's building. Once this is done, it won't need to be done. It's because I changed how the information was being sent through, like the product settings. I don't understand why I've done product settings though. I don't know. Strange Mango, how you doing? Do you know of a widget where you can connect ChatGPT to stream so viewers can ask it stuff? There's loads of stuff that you can do with like StreamerBot with that. Oh, there we go. It's for the currency code for product settings. Yeah, that makes sense. And it's on a pass through other variables as well. That's fine. Mother trucker. How do I want to do this? How do I want to do this? I'm thinking. How do I want to handle this? Need to fix this. This is out of date as well. That's not correct. This would be pulling. I don't actually remember. Let's take a little gander at. Where are you? This little bugger. Wouldn't be settings. It'd be in the main action, wouldn't it? Right. So let me just put this back. It's pretty much. So product settings is already loaded, which is fine. So that means I just need to make sure I put the product setting in there that it requires. Okay. Load custom code, process event, and here I just add product settings to the end. I genuinely think that's it. Waldo, he's still here. Okay, or not. What else did I change? Oh, the entire product info. What's the last one? Process event, product info, product settings. Why did I tell it to take it in as... Right. I'll do it just as a test, but then I will put this in product settings. I'll just call it product settings too. Screw it. And this would be a dictionary string object product settings 2, and then this would be this. But I would add that conversion into the actual thing. Waldo, he's still here. To be fair, I didn't update this bit. I genuinely think that should be the only thing to that's causing a problem. He's probably doing a poo. I'll just send him this. Replace line 33 in main action. Send him this. But I'm going to add that to DLL, so I'm going to go make that change now before I forget. Oh, no. It's correct. It is correct, because unless I just take it in as a string. No, because either way I've got to convert it. It's the only way for that to understand the random settings that it could be. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to do that. That's the only way around. Send it through as a dictionary rather than the product settings tab type thing, which is fine in theory. So I'll call it product settings dict for now. And as long as Waldo says it works after replacing that, then there's not going to be any other change. Big tunes. Let's get on with the big tunes. Bim 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 bim. Which means if I not that one, If I go back into where we were to work this alert thing out, this thing. We stick this at the bottom. A little class with all the stuff. It's a step to the left. Meow. How you doing, Tittle? Baby. Are you doing good? And we also need this stuff at the top. Hey, hey. Main alert queue. In fact, trigger. Hi, hi. Current queue. What are you on about? What was I saving queue as? Let me just undo. Hey, Manly Cash. Manly Cash. How you doing, bro? Shit, what was current alert as well? Jeez. Why did I remove these? It's trigger data? What? Alright, that's cool. Product settings. There's nothing loaded. Because product settings is here. What? Oh no, I need to remove this. Pew. Oh no, I don't. That's the class, you idiot. Didn't read I'd put a value in redemption. No, that's just how it is. Just type your life story in there. See how I care, Tiddle. Learn to read, bro. Learn to read. God damn it. Don't you love it when a plan comes together and you just ruin everything by accident? Remember, if you guys have got questions about anything, please feel free, chat, ask. Even if it's nothing to do with what I'm doing now, I am more than happy to answer any questions. Right, so this product settings, we got nothing in it. In it, mate. Well, we need to load the settings, wouldn't we? Because that would trigger it, pull that into there, add it to the queue. That's nice, that. So how are we pulling the settings? Oh, it was like this, wasn't it? So we'll do that. Screw it. We'll do the same thing, bro. You got beef with. Oh, we need to actually change it to. That's. I don't. I'm unhappy about this. We need it to be. Where are you? You little minx. This. And then send that back through. Yeah, cool. What I might do is just organize this slightly. Do you live in England? Yes, I do. Action man. in sunny England. It's actually a nice day today, and I'm sat inside doing this. Right, I'm going to switch this down here. I want to move this execute down, and I'm going to do the whole custom code thing. Load custom code, just because this is just going to be good for my mental health and being used to using this type of setup that I've created. Otherwise, it's going to be a nightmare. And I'm just going to copy the same as this, you know. Copy. Because again, I just want to get used to using these templates. So this is doing the same, isn't it? Which is fine. Action name. This will be execute. Initialize. Yeah, because that'll just make sure the settings are loaded, which is fine. I can add that in. And we'll do this. And we'll also do... well, we could do the product settings dictionary there as well. So add this dictionary. Oh, do you prefer Queen? To be fair, I could not care less. I mean that in the nicest way possible. Like, I know there's a lot of like royal supporters and stuff like that, but it doesn't do anything for me. I keep myself to myself, and that's just me, a happy guy. So I'm not really bothered. Doesn't bother me. And I'm also gonna leave these up here. That's fine. And then we'll put the custom code in later. So we've got this blah, 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 load custom code. So that's when it's gonna go and do most of this stuff. Doesn't need to do this because we've already got that loaded here. We also don't need to do that, but we need to do the rest of this stuff here. So I want to copy this, and we're going to stick it in there. Remove this, and there we have it. That should be just a lot cleaner now. Was that the only thing that needed to change? Yeah, because it was the settings that weren't firing for it. So we will throw that in this. And sadly, the cool thing isn't going to work on this unless it lets me add the second thing. And I just feel like this is going to say live and not. Why does it not let me do multiple instances? New, I forgot what number we put it to now. Integrations, Elgato, 6969, of course we did. What else would it be? What other number would we have used? Oh, it is. Why does it only show up one? Because now it's gone and effed me up for the other stuff. See? It only says one, and I updated this the other day. And go back to live. Can't have multiple up at once, though. Sag. That's annoying. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Is that right? So this is something cool that I created. I've just thought, is this gonna... It's not going to remember what we used, which is a little annoying, because, in fact, that is picking up the wrong actions. It's like it's not refreshed the actions. That's a little annoying. Maybe if I close and reopen. I don't think so, though. Nope. So this is picking up all the other stuff and not the stuff that's in here. I think this needs some more work. Unless I'm doing something stupid, which I don't think I'm on 1.0.3, and I'm pretty sure that's the latest version. But yeah, utilizing multiple instances, it's like, nah, you're all right. Right, how do I get this to refresh? Do I go and try and change this? No, it's still It's still full with the other stuff in there. Look, DSI, and that. This definitely doesn't have DSI in it. And maybe if I close down Stream Deck and reopen it, this is probably going to break everything now, though. I'm not going to lie, because I've got 2 OBSs open. It's going to be like, nah, you're all right. Go jog on. It's going to be really bad. But it's just how it is. Need to get this interactive overlay going, bro. Alright. What are you saying? Why are you connected? You connected to the right thing, but you've forgotten the action that it was. Maybe that's because I pressed it. So this should be play pause. Cool. Is that doing stuff? Yes, it is. Cool story, TD, bro. Cool story, man. Right, what's going to happen if I try and fire this alert off? Did I already copy it in? I forgot. No, I didn't. Yeah, I did. That's definitely the new version. It's compiled. So what's going to happen? Nothing. Which is not ideal. I mean, it started doing something. It's gone to the channel point handler. What? Oh, no. I tell a lie. That's fine. I just need to open up the settings thing and convert that across as well. That should be operating fine now. So I already started updating this, didn't I? We've got the settings that we used. Alert settings. We're going to copy all these. For custom messages. Oh, we need to change. Oh, for God's sake. We'll do that after. We'll do it after. I'll remember. That's fine. Because I can remember everything. What are you calling donkey, bro? Stick this in there. And we will just copy this. And rather than attempt to rename... Boom. We'll do that. Local currency code. That can... no, that's cool. And then in theory, I should be able to just copy that, and that should now work the new settings menu. In theory. Compiled, so that's a good start. Close that down. Test it. And then Shibuya. Amazing. We've got the local currency. Yep, save. No, I don't want that. That should have still saved the settings anyway, so that's fine. Or did it? Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Oh, God, that is so much nicer for dealing with everything just in one thing. I love that. And what happens now if I try and trigger? Will it do anything? Yeah, but no. So I need to use my other tool, which I've not imported. OBS version, which I've got in here. I'm only having to do this like backtrack because we already did all this. I was going to say, I don't think that was the new code, but I think it is. We're fine. Core, C#, let's go. Pastemundo, Delito. Find the references. That Dratini's just had your pants down, mate. Test, we need to create a trigger. I've forgotten what I need to add in. We need to add OBS connection. Well, I'll do this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Done. And then now what happens? Have we caught up? That's just done 90% of the stuff. I think it's queued it up as well. Yeah, so it's added it to the queue. This has even told it that it's active. So all that is working. So is my little trusty queue button that pauses and does shenanigans. So we'll do this start queue. This is the one that we need to just update to the new system as well. And then we are cooking with gas. Gas. Cooking. Gas me. Oh, shit. Oh, I changed a lot of these. Product number, OBS connection. Shit. Forgot I've changed a lot of this. Right, we're going to have to just jump between these two. This execute thing is going to be the same thing. Stick this down here. Product settings. God, this is awful. And what variables are we looking for? We need all this. What we can do is grab this. Can't rename that. Okay, cool. We'll just rename product name with the product number. We'll take a risk, take a gambly gamble. Q start find product name, replace it with product number, like that, and that should be going down some of these now. We'll do the load custom code for this top thing. Main queue paused. Yep, that's fine. Load the queue. All this is fine. This has changed to OBS connection second, and then DSK name last. So it'd be this. Good evening, Amazing Yacht. How you doing? Well, this technically would be product settings dot OBS connection. Nice, and then this would be that. That's fine.
But you're rocking for the stone.
How you doing? But you're rocking for the stone. How did you find us today? What's going on? Let's fix the other one, which is this, because we've adjusted. Well, I say we, and I like how I say we, but it's me that's done the adjustments. I changed how literally all of these works. All of these works. No, I'm doing the overlay, but my overlay is powered by the DLL, and I forgot that I changed everything. Found you on recommended channels while watching another streamer. Nice. Well, what are you into? Are you a streamer yourself? I mainly do tutorials for streamers. So if you've got any questions or anything like that, then please let me know. So product number's fine. It'll be OBS connection, so that would be product info dot product settings dot OBS connection. What else we're looking for? Source name, which would be what that is already. Oops, we need this. And we need the filter name, which is already there as well, which is fine. Cool. And we need to do the same here. So all we did was we added this in. It makes so much more sense though, all this stuff now, which is I'm so glad that I've changed it all. What's this one again? Product number, OBS connection, DSK name. So we need to stick that in there.
Whoa!
What have I got?
Joe Sordeo. Hey, El Money, what's going on?
Oh, we have a new member. Welcome to the Andi Lippy Committee.
Welcome to Andi Lippy Committee, Doug. You're right. You're right. There we go, and remove this one as well. There we go, and last but not least, which way around was it again? Yes, it was this, that, and remove that. Boom. It says there's no errors. Something's telling me I don't believe it, but YOLO, bro. Let's just copy paste, and it said no errors, so there's definitely no errors in it, right? That's what that means, surely. So now if I start the queue, we should, in theory, see some activity inside of... Well, I could try doing this. Hey, Beaver Captain. How we doing? Rip. Have you got Lego? Have you got Lego, Bongo? Have you got more Lego? Or have you got gin? Right, why did that not complete them? We need to have a little, just gander. Oops. Because it could be a few things. I mean, it's not crashed. Or has it? Start main alert queue. Let's fire off an alert again. Where are you? All the cameras are working. What are you on about? Right, it crashes somewhere. The last thing it does is remove URLs for the text. I'm good. I do have a question for you. You're the first person I thought would be able to do it. As I use so much stuff, and you've done on StreamUP. Oh, nice. Yeah, feel free. Ask away. I can try my best to answer, but I am a bit of a muppet. Play and pause. That doesn't do anything, so we don't need to worry about that. So, where is this error stemming from? It looks like it's in the DLL. Remove URLs. So let's take a little gander at the where it goes. Sometimes main alert queue trigger load custom code. So it is getting to this bit and then it's not being happy. Get trigger from queue. That'd be that. Send trigger data to OBS. It's this thing. It's not enjoying this. Product number. It works. Is it absolutely fine though, Waldo? Yeah, no other issues. I do like this new setup, even though I've had to like rewrite my bloody code, which is so annoying. On StreamerBot to request a song using the name of a person that raided to see what Spotify plays for them. Not sure if it's possible. Yeah, I mean anything's possible if you know how to code in C#. Literally anything is possible. There is a a Spotify extension for StreamerBot. So I'm pretty sure something like that would be the right thing for you. Custom message. This is the thing that's crashing, I think, because it's not got a message. So where's custom message getting pulled? Don't need that. Oh no, I do need that. Custom message. Come on, think. What did I change in custom message? I think it's probably because I'm not actually done, because it's this section of code that's running, and it'll be this. Yeah, it's trying to pull this variable. But then if it's not empty, it should be doing that. So mind you, what does it get to the end? Removing URLs from text. Shit, what have I done? The message and everything is there. Can't seem to update StreamUP in OBS for some reason. What do you mean? Is in the StreamUP OBS plugin? Or are you installing it into the correct folder? 'Cause it's just a normal plugin. So you might not be installing it to correct folder. Last OBS update. I mean, I've not updated it in a very long time. And are you sure it's that specific plugin? Is it just the StreamUp plugin? I'm unsure. Get and save, it does that. The only thing I can think, the only way it wouldn't update is if you're copying the plugin folder into the wrong folder. That's the only way that it wouldn't update. Because it's not an automated process or anything like that. It's just a plugin file. It's not like an auto updater. You just download it like any other plugin, put it. So you might have more than one OBS folder. But then again, it works fine. Yeah, it's just telling you that you're missing a plugin, or you need to update it. So like I say, you're probably just putting it in the wrong folder. Because the latest updates are pretty good for the StreamUp plugin. I'm really unsure where this error's stemming from. Oh, it completes processing the event perfectly fine. It's saying a value is null, but I don't know what bloody value is null. So it does process event perfectly fine. Oh, don't tell me it's something. Don't tell me. Nah, it isn't that. It's usually the first thing to check. Load settings custom code. It completes this as well. Oh no, load. They've got the same name, Andy. GG's. Idiot. Idiot. That's my bad. Shit. It's not shown that message since October. I've not updated the plugin in a very long time, so I've not put out a new update. So, have you got a screenshot of it? Q start. Excuse me. Why you have to be like this, man? Why you have to be like this? Alright, there we go. So that is completing. And then we've got a little Q trigger.
It's getting rather bitty in here, wouldn't you say?
100 biddies, baby. Thank you for the 100 biddies. Nope. Copying all the wrong files now. Something don't feel right. YOLO. Yo, Beaver, thank you very much for the follow over on Twitch as well. Put your rock for the stone, appreciate it.
Put your rockin' for the stone.
Start. Let's go for the start now. Where are you, little monkey? Right, so we'll load a chair. And that all loads perfectly fine. And that should be now in the queue variable. Or not. Right, so it was working on the queue before, but now it's not. Which I'm finding a little bit weird. Oh. It's because it's triggering it off straight away. Is what's happening there. So something in start is causing the issue. So now we can investigate it a bit better. Where are you? It shows I have 1.3.2 and says current version is 1.4. So it has a direct download button for the update, but it doesn't work. What? You could just get it from our website then. Or use the plugin installer, the brand new plugin installer. The plugin installer is like OP. Alright. So it's doing this. I need to find where this issue is. Get the trigger from the alert queue. Yep. Is that what it's called? You don't need to uninstall it. You just need to overwrite the file. Deserialize. I go to queue. Yo, is that you, Umar? Yeah, we're all good. We're just looking at moving again. It's always fun. Is it this? Because this might not exist. I think it's probably that. This is why I love your videos. I'm an idiot at these things. Me too. I wouldn't listen to my videos. I guess you really have ADHD. Can't sit still. Leave me alone, man. Why you bullying me? I can never sit still. You should know that. The name custom message 140. Oh shit, no, the custom message does exist. Fuck. Right, let's just remove that for now and just see what crack is. It's doing more now. Damn. You got too much money. It's the opposite of that. We just need more space. But anyway, 37 hours. Oh my god. Jeez. How are you doing, Umar? Are you all good? Oh. So it was that was broken. We got the queue system working. We can pause it. That's all working. Play it again. Just outside pressure washing the car. Nice, man. Yeah, I had to pressure wash the bloody back garden recently because it was a bit of a mess. Ready for the photos to move and that. I'll leave you a link. I appreciate it, Beaver. Right. So the only issue I'm having is with this. And it'll be because it's not pulling it from there. So that's fine. What I'm going to do is delete all these variables. And these, what are these called? Twitch cheer custom message 1 wicked. So the error will be in the DLL because I've not finished building this part of it. Process Twitch event load custom. So this shouldn't be getting this variable here. So let us just look down. Waldo, is there a shortcut to close down like multiple things at once? Like multiple methods? Oh, no, my nose just really stung then. I don't know why. Load custom message. Product info. I think you're probably going to want more information than this. I think you're going to want product settings, mate. I'm also going to change the name of this to trigger data. It's going to make it a bit easier to actually know what's going on. Trigger data for this as well. Restarting your PC usually does it. What? Command Q, bro. PC life now, bro. Forget that Apple shh. You know what I mean? Still got my 10-year award sat in a bloody drawer. Hopefully when we move place and I've got my own office space, I'll be able to put it up on display and people will be like, oh, what's that really shit Apple thing that you've got there? Probably the way to my house. Event custom message. So I think all I need to do is remove that, but I need to, rather than pull a global, I need to pull it from, well, that doesn't need product number anymore, right? I mean, we might still add it in later on. I need to send, I need to send through the dictionary. I need to send through product settings. Oh yeah. Product settings, send that through. And then that will already be loaded. What's beef, man? What takes 4 arguments? It doesn't, does it? Oh yeah, it's because I'm sending 4 arguments, you tit. What game should I play next? Well, what's on your backlog? Also, does that mean you're streaming today? Because I've got to do a lot of behind the scenes work. Waldo, do you, from what you've tested, by the way, are you happy with it? Like, do you think I should roll? Well, after I finish the parsing of the events and the new stuff, shall I push the betas? I think the little template thing makes sense as well if you've had a look at that. Because I'll start getting them ready next few days. What is going to be? What do I need here? This trigger. What? So I need to pull the custom message, which it's going to be this same thing. So it is going to be this. But how do I want to utilize it? Yeah, I'm going to go through the docs and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. I can do all that. To be fair, Waldo, is that in the main StreamerBot install docs? Because there's part 1, like, do this. This is the first thing. Not today, but Tuesday. I think I already did that, but put it in that first one. So the custom message, we were going to pull from product settings, right? So this would be product settings, and because it's a library, it'd be this, right? And then dot to string bought. I need to do a grab the StreamUP DLL file from the same Discord you downloaded. Oh, is it in the main? Is that in the main one? Hang on. There you go, Waldo. At the top of the install guide, it says, if this is the first time you're doing it, follow this guide. So I just need to remove the other part. I just need to remove the bit that I did. I don't need to change it. I just need to remove it completely. Because you got to do all these steps for every product, but only the first time. So that's why I've not included all that in the thing you're on. Just make sure you're happy with it. I did send it in the Discord the other day, but you know what I mean. People still overlook that. That sounds like a them problem. I'm not writing it a million times for every product. Unless you can make it look better. Copy pasta. Dun, dun. Hey, Cricks, how we doing? Gotta move it over to my instrument at some point anyways. No worries. Good morning to you, Cricks. Hope you're doing good. I'm good. I'm getting a little bit nervous though. Just because the house stuff's going pretty quick. We found a house that we really like. It's a touch on the expensive side, but it just means I need to work my arse off more, doesn't it? Which gives me enough motivation, right? Should I... should I do this? If pro settings dot try get value. That's life in a nutshell. It really is. Like I say, it's just gonna be hard, man. It's gonna be real hard. Try and get the value. What was it? Twitch? No, it wasn't. It was custom. I forgot what it was. Trigger or something. I saved it. Where are you? Let's do this. Do this. Event type key is that. Try and get the value of itchy nose, man. Because then we've got the event type key. How do you figure out these? Conan, do you refer to SB Wiki? Nothing here is SB apart from this. All this stuff here, the only thing that's StreamerBot only is that. So, nah, I utilize a bunch of tools, Google, asking questions, ChatGPT, use SB Wiki, the SB Discord as well. When people have asked questions and stuff, just doing a little search in there, you can normally find out what you want. I'm going to change this to... should I change this to message? Yeah. I don't know. I don't want to do this. Let's remove this. Found message. Should I, in fact... Hey, Mel Benji, how you doing? What am I doing here? Why am I being a moron? Not bad. Good to hear. String. We'll do custom message value. What am I bloody doing? Why does it think it's an object? Getting Dura set up. Then, oh, orcs. 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 You gotta learn, man. I'm thinking too hard. Nah, if I can do it, anybody can literally do it. So, yeah, just do it, man. Oh, you're an absolute muppet to start with. Why does this think it's kind of object? Why is it not? Oh, product settings dot try get value of event type key. Is it? I know it's a string and an object, but the actual thing's a message, right? Right, screw this then. We'll do event type key. Then what we'll do is say if custom message we'll this is right, I think. My brain is not in gear today. Go on, somebody find 4th or 5th for me, please. What we want to set. We want to set custom message value to product settings, and the key was custom, whatever this was. Well, Well, let's do it like this. We'll say trigger type equals. There's a better way of doing this. That should work, right? Oh, Waldo, what? Dude. And what? The question is it worth it? Is it worth it? What's your big tangent? I want to know. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. I'd rather be on a big tangent before it releases than after, and then we've got to scrape up the remains. Come on, spill beans. Get the beans and just throw them at me. Right, I'm just going to save that and we'll just close this and just see if it works, shall we? Because where's the fun if it's not? Oh, come on, 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 come on. Thank you. I'm waiting for the beans, Waldo. Type, boy. Type like you've never typed before. Pardon me. Remember, if you guys have got questions, anything like that, please let me know, man. And we can sort you out. Lurkern, hello. Is it correct that if you look at a dictionary for event type key and reading the event type key, what? Good spot. Thank you. Thank you, Lurkern. Appreciate it. I blame Baby and Housebrain for my idiocy. Oh my god, Waldo, this suspense is killing me, bro. The suspense is killing me. Well, you're doing a lot of replace actions on a single string. Isn't it very efficient as to allocate a new string in memory every time? So you're better off using String Builder, as it's much more performant. Well, this is not a tangent. This is good because this is what I'm doing now. But as long as we output the same variable, which is cool, yeah, let's do that. I don't think I've really done. I think I've only done a string builder once. That requires me to go do some more learning, which I'm fine with. I'll probably take a look at tonight because I mean this is the part that I'm building now. So yeah, I don't mind that at all. All right, is that gonna work, or is it gonna be like, nah, you're all right? That says no, you're all right. But why though? What's it unhappy with? Oh my god, there's so many messages. So many messages here. I can't find where it says it's broken, mate. Where is it? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Value is null. Again. So what's... something. Is it because... dumbass. Let's just throw some logging in so I know what's going on. Hey, Yayo. Give me an example. Thank you. Wow, there he goes. You're so just crazy little cat, aren't you? Check in if product settings contains the key event type key. What else should we check? We'll put custom message value equals why did you not build, bro? Oh, you're building now. For 1 or 2 or maybe even 3 replacements, it's fine, but more memory efficient. Fantastic. Well, we can definitely do that. I'll take a look after the stream, that one. Just because, like I say, as long as it outputs the same thing, it's all good. I feel like I've done something really dumb. Hey, Pumpkin. I don't think you read what I put, and just hope it was chat being nice to you other than being twats, but you're here to be the twat, right? That's why I was beating around the bush. And now everything's broken. Genuinely, everything's broken. What did I do right now? I broke it up. Oh, it could. I've been stupid. I've been very stupid. I've been an idiot. Been an idiot. I've been an idiot, everyone. I've been dumb. No, apparently I haven't. Why is it pulling the same freaking message? Oh, I know why. Because we commented it out, didn't we? Oh, Andy. Andy, bro. Just get your head out of your ass for like 2 minutes, right? And just, God. I'm such a muppet. Oh. Was it so difficult to just... All those things that I was just checking then going, why don't it work? It was working the entire time. Hey, Joltara. Don't know why my alert queue's not working though now. That button's just not working altogether. Oh, it'll be because it's just, what's it called? It's because it's disconnected, isn't it? Yeah, look. It's there. It is connected. I promise you, it's there. I'm promising you. Why don't it believe me? Nothing else is connected. Why is it doing this to me? Why does it hate me? Hi, bro. How to use capture card in TikTok Live and OBS? Because when I connect with TikTok, it shows screen, and try to connect to OBS, it shows only one application. Well, have you got your TikTok key and everything like that? Because I've never streamed to TikTok via OBS because I don't have a key. You're orange again. Haha. You ginger, bro. Just need to work on the sizings and stuff. I might even adjust it to a different size, parameter-wise, maybe. Don't know. Trying to think what I like to do. What do I want to do? Let's pause this spinny. It's pizza night. Let's go. Love that. I get it. It's all bully IO because Bongo. I mean, you're not wrong there. If Bongo's not here, we've got to bully somebody, haven't we? Do you know what I mean? Automatic scene switch. Turn that off, and we'll take a look at the behind the scenes current output. And this is the thing that we're gonna maneuver, because right now, is it on this or is it actually on the scene? Yeah, alert on goes into this position just here. And I might change my mind on what I wanted to do. I might just get it to be in a different location completely, which is nice. I don't know whether to do a semi-cinematic type thing or what. What should I do? It shows screen when yes, at the same time it shows black screen when closed. TikTok Live Studio, it shows in OBS. It's because you can only open it in one application at once. Any inputs like that you can, but you can use a thing called a virtual camera, where you can make it into a virtual camera so it can be used as a different thing. You can't have it open in both at the same time. So use a virtual camera inside of OBS. Pizza night is every night. Let us. Oh man, I don't know. It's all good, Joltara. I don't know what I want to do. I might make this bigger. This will be 540 to be centered. Keep it centered. Increase scale to
Let's mess up Andi's plus points tracker.
Why is he like
We have a
this?
new member. Welcome to the Andi Lippy Committee.
Why is he like this? Thank you, Bongo. And then we can make it thinner. That'd be 20. That'd be 100. Is this even doing anything? And let's move it a bit more this way. Haha. Serves you right for being a troll. Doesn't it? I want to increase this as well. We'll go even more. What about that? Or is that going to be too short?
What have I got?
Yo, Bongo. Thank you, so baby. See, I could do that.
Oh, we have a new member. Welcome to the Andi Lippy Committee. It's time for a Brucey bonus, baby.
We just started our little hype train to yourself, Bongo.
Oh, we have a new member. Welcome to the Andi Lippy Committee.
You're so cute. Thanks so much, dude. Appreciate it. Right, so what I've just done is apparently break it.
What have I got?
Yo, Pumpkinhead gifted 5 subs as well. Let's actually go, man. Why is this stuff working?
Oh,
breaking
we have a
stuff.
new member. Welcome to the Andi Lippy Committee.
You guys too kind. Oh my god. I can't keep up with what's happening. What's going on? Like my
It's
PC's
getting
like
rather
crashing.
bitty in here, wouldn't you
It's
say?
because all these effects are going off. Yo, thank you for the 100 bits as well. Amazing yacht. Oh my god. God. You guys are too kind. You crazy cats. Getting that. We're in a level 3 hype train right now. How? This log file was just going absolutely nuts as well. Watch this. Yo! Crafty resubscribing as well. Let's go.
Oh, we have a new
this one
member.
crashed.
Welcome
This
to the
didn't do
Andi Lippy
anything.
Committee.
I don't know what's just happened. I think you broke all my stuff. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Breaking my stuff as always. We need to be level 106. All with 31 people. Let's go. Everybody, go get your credit cards and get some credit card debt. Credit card debt. JK, don't do that. But thank you. It's going to be a big help towards the house as we're probably moving soon, which is going to be amazing because it means that I'm going to have a bigger space for myself.
It's getting rather bitty in here,
Explosive
wouldn't you
because it's
say?
been that long. Oh, it's not. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where is the little minx? Where is she? I can see her over here, but she's gone. Already got student debts. Guess a little credit card debt doesn't matter. Oh my god. I don't know where Idna's gone, man. Because it's been... Oh, it's pick up... She's here. She's miles away, though. Because apparently the tracking's wrong. So she is here. She's just all the way over there. I don't understand how. Or why. Can I change this? This might fix it. Edit transform. Oh god, this is horrific now. This is disgusting. What
It's
has
getting rather
happened
bitty in here, wouldn't you
to
say?
poor Idna? How has this happened? I'm fixing her. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. This is nuts. Is it? I think it's the new version of the move. Cause, yeah, stuff's happening. Hang on, I'm fixing it. The positional alignment's changed. Ah, yeah. You're right. Oh, for God's sake, Bongo! Bongo. Fucking Bongo, man. I was just fixing stuff. Ah, yeah. Are we in? Are we fixed there? That'll have to do, won't it? You're gonna have to get over it. If not, get over it, eh? Welcome to getting over it with me, Idna. You little buggers, lot of you. This is cursed. Why? Don't be like that. You know you like it, don't you? You just like it when I do this talking, don't you? You like it when I'm all like, hiya. What's going on? We fixed it, yeah. Fixed it right up, haven't we? Thank you everyone for dropping all the bits. Oh, another 100 bits. Oh, we nearly finished level 3. Apparently
It's getting rather bitty in here, wouldn't you say?
It's a scam. Ignore it. Ignore it. I need to go back and do some fixing on the hype train thing. There's 30 seconds left if you want to boost us to 4. Level 4. Bongo just gifted us up as well. Getting us leveled up. That's nice and simple. Well done, Bongo. Best thing you've done all week.
Oh, we have a new member.
Bongo.
Welcome to the Andi Lippy Committee.
To JT Brown. Is that Justin Timberlake? Let's go. Thank you, Bongo. I love you. That's nearly as generous as that £1 you sent me on the paid, pal. Always sending me money on that paid, pal, aren't you? Hey? Always sending it across. You're all like, oh, do you want this bit of money? I'm like, no, don't. You're alright. He's like, oh, you need to buy something nice. You need to buy something. Why has TD sent me stuff? Ooh, do you like my lips like this? Do I look like one of them that's had all the lips done? It actually looks like I'm smiling now. I can't do anything to my mouth. I don't know what's
It's time to cheer, bonus time is here.
Oh, you generous people,
Bonus time.
Move out my way. Why is this mask in my way? Amazing, gifting somebody
Oh, we have a new member. Welcome to the Andi Lippy Committee.
It's getting double and triple triggers, which is really annoying, isn't it? Sorry for spamming chat, everybody.
Yes, I'm back. Don't worry.
We have a new member.
Thank you, amazing.
Welcome to the Andi
Up,
Lippy
baby.
It's bonus
Let's go.
time. It's bonus
You guys
time. Get
dropping all the
money,
poggies right
get
now.
your bonus
I'm sorry that
time.
everything's getting like double and triple triggered. It's because I've got like all of the StreamerBots open. Like all of the streamer bots. All the bots of the streams open.
Weird now. Bonus.
You got a boner? Bonus time.
Oh.
It's madness in here today. I'm not even doing it. I'm just, everyone's trolling me. Like, I'm here having a good time. Just trying to do a bit of casual coding and everyone's just like, money! So, I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining much. But, like, I mean, yeah, it's just that, isn't it? Bro, coming in with a resub as well. Oh my god, look at the plus
we
points.
have a new
Let's go,
member.
ladies and gents.
Welcome to the Andi
Nearly on
Lippy
50
Committee.
plus points this month. We've got another 53 to go. This might be slightly inaccurate because Bongo's a troll. Just saying. Just saying. It might be slightly inaccurate due to Bongo being a troll. Why have you still got that bonus time thing? Because everybody wanted to see me shake with my chest out. And they voted for it to stay, so it stayed. How's that? Is that alright for you, I hope? Man, I can't believe you crazy cats have got us on a level 4 hype train. You absolute nutters, man. You all crazy. You crazy cats. Now that makes sense. See, it's not up to me, this sort of stuff. I definitely need to fix through this stuff. I'm gonna do the string builder that Waldo says and work this out because I've got to do this. Something needs to happen here. Don't blame me for supporting your content. My name's Bongo and it's me, Cricket Umpire 69. Oh, here for a good time. Oh. That's literally how Bongo talks, everybody. If you ever go to a Bongo 1986 stream, you'll just be yeah. Oh, there's some plans that you release this also? Yep, just need to finish the DLL first. Which the DLL's almost done. I just need to deal with the triggers. And it'll be going in for early access for my Patreon and Ko-fi members. Alongside, obviously, all the crazy updates that are coming very soon. So, yeah, these next few weeks, it's all going to pop off for my Patreon and Ko-fi members and stuff. You're amazing yacht with it. 68 biddies as well.
It's getting rather bitty in here, wouldn't you say?
All the alerts popping off in like 2 different OBSs. What did you guys think to this? I just changed the where this position thing goes. It's a nice little widget though. Do we like my raid widget? It's nice. I know it went slightly inaccurate, but it's nice. Nice to see that message works. Yeah, I told you it's broken. Well, I can fix that though. But that's all going to be fixed because of the new DLL that I'm making. So, Bongo, why don't you just get them big old titties of yours and shut them? Thank you everybody for joining in on that that scam train and supporting me with the house move and everything like that. You guys, honestly, I can't believe that I'm still doing this as a job. And coming up, what, a year and a half, being self-employed now, and it's all thanks to you lot. Like, it really is. So, thank you. I love you all so much. But yeah, I don't know if anybody saw what I just did, but I made it so it goes like more of a square now, like that, so it doesn't look as empty. God, why is my phone popping off? Oh, we've got some more house viewings, guys. I've got a feeling this house is gonna sell really well. When's that? Let me just check. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to keep up with the date. Oh my god, that's ages away. Up the price. It's already, to be fair, too expensive. The price is. When I launch StreamUP, it says your Polaroid thing is outdated or something, and I have no idea how to fix it. If it's outdated, it means it's out of date. Yeah, you can go just download it. Go download it from wherever you downloaded it from, and it will give you the latest update. Boom. Easy. Easy, brother. So you just jump to Ko-fi, or go to my.streamup.tips, link your account. Bosh, that's what you need to do. Go to my.streamup.tips, log in with the account that you used to purchase it with through Ko-fi or whatever, and you'll be able to see all your downloads, or if you're a current patron or Ko-fi member, you'll be able to see all the downloads that are available, and you just download the latest one there, boom. Or if you're happy with the way that it is, you can just disable the update function / delete it, do whatever you want. It's up to you. Don't bother me, but it's going to be getting a huge update very soon, so it's been fully remade, basically. When I mean remade, I mean the triggers are being remade, so it'll mean that you can use all of the triggers for like chat messages to trigger it, bits, subs, whatever has a message, it'll basically work with it, which is really cool. Let me just have a look what time it is, because I'm getting pretty hot in here. I mean, I'm a hot guy anyway, you know what I mean? Because this room is so hot, it's unbelievable. The good thing is as well, if we get the house that we're interested in, the room that I've got will be not backing onto like a main road, so it should be a bit quieter if I have the window open, which is gonna be really nice. Need to resub to your thingy. I've just been saving to get some key lights, so I'll hop on Libby Committee later again. Nice, dude. Appreciate it. We've got some huge stuff coming, so if you're like can't afford it monthly or something like that, yeah, you know what I mean, hold off a little bit, because some good stuff. Or if you just want to support, then crack on. Whatever helps. I'm trying to think what we should be doing, because this event thing really did mess up a little bit. So my little centralized thing is not centralized. Right, and let's go, buddy. He's that No! It is just like 1,000,000 degrees in here. Like, it is roasting. It is absolute. You should have stopped a long time ago. Waldo, have you seen this code? I'm trying to, because you're saying to like do this as a string builder as well, don't you? Oh God, I need to work this out. It's almost there. Will you just take a look at this piece of this? This is the one that I'm going to work on next. This is what I need to do. Would you mind just taking a look at it and give me some feedback on what I should try and do, Waldo? Because there's going to be a lot of triggers, a lot of stuff to be put in there and everything like that. So, is it on GitHub? No, but I could send you just that file. It's not too big. I could send you just this, because I don't think it is on GitHub. Or is it? I could just push it. Yeah, let me just push it. Push it real good, and you'll be able to see it. It's the event trigger extensions. In fact, I've barely touched it. Let me see what I've touched. I changed it to trigger data. Yeah. And I added some other stuff. Edit name to trigger data. Can you see Andi Breaky or not? Can you see Andi Breaky? I'm pretty sure you can. But it's now just been pushed to Andi Breaky. Right, ads are going to run in a minute, but I'm absolutely desperate for a wee, so I'm just going to run to the toilet and try and just grab some air so I can carry on streaming, okay? I'll be right back. And no, I won't, because my fucking stream deck is unconnected. Doing my head in, having multiple StreamerBots does my tits in. Look at this, it's connected to the wrong thing. But I can't connect more than one instance. Has anybody else got this issue? Or is it just a me thing? And now it says I'm offline. I'm not offline. Be right back. Heyo. Got myself a snack. So, that is my be right back scene, pumpkin. But the big issue, please.
Put
Hey
your
Wayne,
rockin' for the
what's going on?
stone.
Put your rockin' for the stone. How do you find us today? What's going on? God, that feels dry. It's called my intermission scene because it updates the text based on what I press on my stream deck. So on my stream deck, I have a starting soon and a be right back scene. And when I press this, if it was connected, it sends through the argument type starting soon, and then I've got a be right back one, and that sends through be right back. So it automatically changes the starting soon text to based on whichever button I press. But because I'm not connected,
Thanks for
it didn't
all
work.
the amazing work you put into making streamers' lives
We have a
easier.
new member.
Your tools
Welcome
are
to the Andi
amazing, and
Committee.
so are you. Please. Hope you and your family are well.
That is sweet if it worked. It does work. It's just because I've got 2 StreamerBots. Resubscribe, bro, with 2 months. 2 months. Why? What's Andi Botty saying? subscribed. My GG typing skills up. Yeah, it's just because it's 2 things. Thank you so much for the 2nd month as well. And thank you for the kind words. Yeah, it's just one of the annoying things that I think there's an issue with the plugin that they need to look into. I can't wait for Waldo to be like, this is terrible, Andy. Don't do it like this. Right. I'm guaranteed this is what he's going to do. Like, there's a lot of case. I don't know if this is even the best way of doing this. And I think this is what Waldo's going to take a look at. Because what I've got here, and this is literally the last thing that needs to be done for the DLL and for me to release all my new stuff, like the hype train widget and everything like that, is working this centralized system. Everything else is now up to date. Oh my god, that breeze is so good right now. Oh. Everything is up to date. I've even updated all of the OBS WebSocket stuff, the product settings UI stuff I updated. Everything is ready apart from this last one now, which means that I'm telling you, the Patreon and Ko-fi members are going to be getting so much stuff thrown at them very soon. A lot of them will be just updates, but adding so much more functionality, and there will also be what's it called? New products coming as well as. What am I doing? I need to save that as a string because I use it all the time, and then send it through everywhere. What's that? I always get nervous when it says 0 because that always makes me feel like I've put the OBS thing in the wrong place, which would cause it to break. They are so dry. They really are. But it's all I've got. Like Sahara Desert, man. What? They're good when you got a cup of coffee. Oh, get them bad boys dunking. Woo!
Hey, Andy.
Hey, look, Chris. Yo.
Oh, we have a new member. Welcome to the Andi Lippy Committee.
I'm invincible, bro. God, it dries out your entire throat, like everywhere. It's dry. Right. I don't know what to do. Let's just focus on the overlay itself, shall we? And we'll work on the trigger stuff later on. So this is what the alert will look like. Do we like that? What information can I have here? Like, I don't know. Like, what do you add there? You know what I mean? Current output. Let me put the... Like, what? Right, so... What do we think? I also think it could do being moved. Maybe again. That could be too much. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shit. Oh, no, 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 you're alright, you're alright. Why did that turn itself off? Where's it gone? Oh, it's because I'm just zoomed out on the wrong pixel. That's weird. Does it look a bit crap? Does it look a bit crap? I know it says the repeat of the name. It's because I was sending the wrong message. Or do I go for something a little bit different? And by different, I mean just not too different, but make this be back in this position. Oh, don't be like that. What position values are you trying to edit them? Why does it do this? Oh, no, we're alright, we're alright. Put it into a different position. So, we'll turn it off. I'm going to duplicate this. Call it 3, and we'll adjust it. We'll get it down a little bit. So, we'll go scale to probably 90, maybe. So, 90 to bring it in. Where's my rounded corners gone, bro? Oh, it's because it's off. So, maybe I should have turned that on. And then adjust from this point of view, because it'll have all the rounded corners. So 90 position, we'll do 1920 to keep the full width, but maybe we'll go a little bit like short on the height. So bring it down 200, shall we? Try 880. Change this to 960 because that's centered. We'll probably increase this to maybe 95. And then move this all the way up to the top. Which should be something like that. And then have the alert at the bottom. That's another option. I don't know which one's going to look better. Like, go into this position, back out. I really don't know what I want. I really don't know what I want and how I want it to look. I like the feel of it. And then just have all the alert stuff. If you say beer bongo, I'm probably going to cry. Because I drank a lot last night. Do these 670... Oh, yeah, I think I'd throw up everywhere, mate. Not going to lie. I'm still a little bit hungover. Or, I don't even know. I won't even class it as hungover. But then, like I say, have this down the bottom instead. Or something like that. Know what I mean? I don't know. Or should I just get rid of the rounded corners altogether? And then I could keep it full screen and just slide up. Slide to the left. Right, I'm going to duplicate it anyway. So then we've got a couple of different positions anyway to choose from. Position 3 apparently doesn't work now. And now position 4 doesn't work. What is with this little move bug, man? And then we'll get rid of the rounded corners. In fact, we'll put it into this position and just go high 8. Like so, pardon me, sorry, that was disgusting. And move it up. Oh, that was that x-axis. If we've got rid of 200, that means surely I just add 100, remove 100 from that. Shit, 440. There we go. And just do it full screen like that. That could be an option. So then now it goes, puts into like a cinematic mode type thing. I'm not sure. It's the creativity is not coming to me because I just definitely know I want to use the DSK. I mean, it could look cool if I did put this back to 540. And then maybe did it almost a bit cinematic. And then told this to come on in like, what, 3 seconds or something like that. So it'd be like... I mean, that could be a cool thing. And then use the top and the bottom bars to display stuff. Ooh, I'm coming up with ideas. Ideas are flowing to me. Right, hear me out, hear me out. So, it'll be like this. We're just doing a normal, me chatting away to camera or something like that. This is not going to look correct, is it? Because of this. We'll have to do this. So, me just chatting to camera and whatnot. And then when we go live to play music or something like that, we go into music mode, which then turns this on. Then it tells it not to play loud alerts, stuff like that. Ooh, I kind of like this idea. And then this is built around it. What I would want to do is probably make this fully black though. Or would I? Hey, Go Greyhound, how you doing? Or would I want to go like that? Looks pretty nifty though, especially with that little shadow, doesn't it? It's adding like a little bit more of a depth to it. Yeah, I'm just not entirely happy with it right now. I'm also going to do that for this. What did I do? 3,000, wasn't it? So that it's like... I quite like that. So it does come in. I know you're barely going to be able to see. I mean, you can see the lines. And that would put it into, like, cinematic mode. But how you doing today, Greyhound? Are you good? And then if I just start grabbing some random bits of text for now... just for testing purposes. I'd need to choose a really, really nice font, though. And I'm terrible at choosing fonts. Like, real bad. Could mess around with some, like, digital mono. This is... test. We'll do like, I don't know. Might go a little bit. I've just accepted Ariel, you know. Ariel is now live. Sunday. What month are we in? Jan, Feb, March, April. We're in April. Jeez Louise. April 10. What are we on? April 7th. Alright, see, I'm thinking I could just do something like this. and utilize this for multiple things, basically. So it's like almost like my old school overlay, which I always had a soft spot for. Stick this up in the corner. Something that I could do as well. Oh God, I love it when just little ideas come to me, but it's nothing to do with the idea that I'm actually doing. So if I leave that like that for now, and I'm going to duplicate this, check this out. Copy. In fact, there's one more thing I need to do, and that would be position alignment center right. Move it into here, and then now it should type to the right of it, which is good. I'll duplicate it, copy, paste the duplicate, put it behind it, and what I will do here is grab a bunch of 8s. This is monospace, right? Turn this into black. That was pretty cool, right? How does it write a W? I'm interested. So I really could go extra nuts with this. Where in the UK you at? I'm northeast. Don't dox yourself. I am. I mean, what's my address anyway? It's Chesterfield. So yeah, there you go. My PO box is Chesterfield. So there you go. What I love as well is you can't get doxed if you've already doxed yourself. Do you know what I mean? I'm just saying. Just because these have got different things. So if I did like W's, for instance, that offers another little line to it. So it could. Can you see where I'm going here? I'd probably turn it into an image anyway, but just because there's so many different characters that do different things, this could be so good. Cornwall, half Bristol, nice man. The Bristol accent's amazing. I absolutely love it. Paste another duplicate here, and then this would be M's. To get this. So it is like outlining all of them. What does 0 have? I think 0 is just a square. So it's like I've completely filled this little grid out now. Almost. The only thing that it doesn't have is this little comma. But this is me just experimenting now. And this is where usually all the good ideas come from. Just playing around with stuff. Like, what's a dot do? It's got to check what all these things do. So we've got dot, we've got dash. That doesn't do it. Star. What? How does that work? Oh, a star could be my thing. Alright. I think the star could be the savior. Because star does everything, look. Not quite, though. near enough. What about plus? Yeah, that's a good shout. What's plus do? Plus doesn't look like it's doing anything. That's because that's equals, Andy, you absolute tit.
What have I got?
That made me jump. Yo, Isaac coming in.
We have a new member. Welcome to the Andi Lippy Committee.
50. Oh. Exclamation mark might be my boy. How are we doing, Isaac? You all good, dude? What about eyes, then? Hey, and started around 2.5 hours each way and went to a show and saw my favourite band. Well, Frontline Assembly, got a bit with 2 members afterwards. Who's your favourite band of all time? Oh my god. I'd probably say it's this upcoming artist, Andy Stone. I think he is really, really good. All time favourite. I've got a few, really. I have a soft spot for Muse because they're the band that got me wanting to play music. Obviously, the Beatles is a huge inspiration for my own music. What else? Queen. Yeah. A big one, though, is a band called Mini Mansions. It's like a bit of a supergroup with artists that do live tours with big bands like Arctic Monkeys and stuff like that. They're amazing. Does this Andy Stone chap play his own trumpet? He would if he could, mate. But anyway, you guys can see what the idea is. So I could make my own little, like, proper display, which is cool. When I was a kid, I had so much musical when BG sang Beatles songs for the movie called Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts. Nice. What's your favourite band at the moment? Ooh, what am I listening to? Just because I'm getting excited to go and see them, the Zootons. The Zootons, you know, who wrote Valerie. Originally. So all this would be behind this anyway. There. And then it'd... That looks pretty spicy, doesn't it? That's pretty cool, man. What am I breaking? It doesn't work. I'm gonna download so. Oh my god. See, I do miss good old festivals. Well, I just don't like being dirty anymore. Is my issue. I just don't like being dirty. Let me add another colour source. Man, colour sources absolutely rock, don't they? What size font did I use? Can anyone remember? 48. So by default, I'm guessing this size has got to be 48. And something cool that you can do is have a look how big this is. 472. I set this to 472. And now that should be... I clicked the wrong freaking thing. I meant to click that and check that size. That is 856. 856. Now, my little fruit cake will be the same size. Put this behind it all. It looks really ugly right now, but what I'm going to do is make it pretty dark. In fact, what I'll do is lighten it slightly. Maybe even more. You're taking the kiddos. Oh, man. Love that. Maybe that's a little too dark. I don't know. I was thinking of doing that and then a little outline around it. Oh, guess what as well? I could have it, it's just come to me, is I could just get it to go. It is currently 2 a.m. in the morning. Blah 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 na 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 na. Write your message here, kind of thing. New StreamUP product coming to your eyes soon. There you go, guys. You can a new StreamUP product's coming. And just like that, a new StreamUP product was born. And it's not gonna be as easy as you think, either, because you'd have to get it look good. It'd have to be typed like that, right? And then what happens when it gets to the end? Yeah. And not just that, but you also need to end it. And then me being me, we'll add a bunch of settings like, how big do you want said thing to be? How many letters would you like it to be long? How many this? So I'd have to work a ton of math out and get it to just work. I don't really use too many shaders nowadays, you know. And loads of them are just built into Exceldro's version of shader filter now. I mean, if I moved it, this would be smooth. I'm thinking of doing it. We're getting sidetracked though. But if I So this is a camera here, but I can't put a camera on because do I still have the? There we go. I can swap this to something. No, I can't. That won't work. Polar.shader. Nice. I mean, do you want to share a link to it? Or so everyone else can enjoy? This has proper got me like thinking. What I want to do with this overlay. It's definitely a different vibe to what I initially thought. What would it look like if I did bring it to the front and have it in a special like... Do-do-do-do-do. Just need to think about this overlay and what I want to do with it. Is all. Let me create a new text. Sometimes I'm so bad at like working out designs. Sometimes I'm just awful at it. I've been using my name more recently because I just don't want to be known as Andi Titty. Comic Sans, best font, the only font you need. Here he comes. El Cotton Eye Joe himself, complaining. I am so bad at picking fonts, man. I don't know what I want. I expected that you expected me. Ah, I see you've been expecting me. Hey? I'm just experimenting with stuff right now. Looks tacky. Yeah, it looks tacky as shit, man. I really like this idea, though. Lights Out's always been that price, I think. He's hammering it down on that side again. I'm at a loss building this overlay. I've built all this cool stuff, and I just don't know what I want to do with this whole cinematic-y type thing. I've got all this down here. It's like, what, about 100 pixels at the bottom, 100 pixels at the top, and I don't know what to do with it. I need to fit, like, everything in there. I need ideas to come to me, but they're not. Anybody got any ideas? What holiday, IO? I'm basically building this. Don't like this. And then I was going to do a digital message type thing that people can, that alerts would pop up on and stuff like that. No worries, I'll take a look. Take a look in, that's not a problem. I'm sure you said you were going on a holiday with it. Maybe I'm drunk. Yeah, I think you're drunk. I think you're drunk, mate. Yeah, we already went. I don't know. You're looking forward to how to stream, but it never happened. I had no signal, man. I can't do that, man. I can't manufacture signal. You know what I mean? I can do a lot of things, but manufacture signal from nothing is not doable. I think I just need to sleep on this and have a little think. I think that's what I need to do. Need to have a little think on it. I think what we'll probably do is jump off on a raid now because I need to finish editing a video and get it across to the sponsor. I thought you were a genius. No, shut up. Ready for launch next week. And I obviously need to go and catch up with stuff that's going on with the house, because obviously Beth's been receiving some calls today, and I need to go and find out what the hell is going on, don't I? Because it's exciting. That I can't believe it. Like, we could be moving really soon, guys. It's quite exciting. Anybody else excited? I hope you're excited. I'm not going to be back again tomorrow due to, obviously, my schedule being different now. I now work on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, yeah, you'll have to just get over that. And you'll have to miss me. I'm sorry. You know I love you. But it's just how it is, babies. Who we got on to raid? There's not too many people in the StreamUP tag. So let's go. Let's go raid a friend of the channel, shall we? Thank you for the 9 bits. Why are you even baiting that, Benji? Why are you even baiting that, mate? What?
It's getting rather bitty in here, wouldn't you say?
We'll go raid Alex. She downloaded the StreamUP plugin or OBS plugin or plugin installer, one or the other, and left a little dono. So why not go and give back? You know what I'm saying? Got to do it. It's pay to win these day and age, right? Unless you donate, I'm not raiding you. So just so I can't even say this shit with a straight face, man. I can't even pretend. Can't even pretend. I'm going to switch to mobile because I'm going to go and have a stretch, finish the video, and then we should be good. I was thinking about going for a walk, but it is absolutely tipping it down. Absolutely tipping it down, so I don't want to get involved with that, if that's alright. I'm going to go and cuddle myself to sleep, or something along those lines, you know what I mean? So I'll try and work on the last few bits. I'm going to work with Silver and Waldo to get everything release ready, and in the next couple of, I don't know, it could be even days, that I start dropping out the new stuff for you guys to test out. But I'll need loads of feedback, alright? So stay safe, don't do anything I won't do, and look after yourselves, okay? Much love.
Let me know if you're ever in London as well. Cool. Right. I should just put all the hair